I love doing my makeup, and the holiday is coming right around the corner, and I love just having the little unboxing everyday things, the holiday calendars. So I got this Beauty Blast 24 Spectacular Cosmetic Treats, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I know that it's not Christmas, but I can't wait. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It comes in all of these boxes. So the first one, just like this, it's just like one of those holiday calendars. So I'm going to go ahead and open the first one, and it says day 2 on it. So I have a little lip liner, and then I have day 5, and it's this cutie little makeup sponge. This is going to be like, either you can use it as a powder puff or to take your makeup off. Day 4, I just have this little makeup cleanser. Super cute. Oh my gosh. A little lipstick. Oh my gosh, all of these are going to be super great for the holidays. If you're looking to give a gift for somebody or just for yourself, this definitely is a good choice. Is a beauty blender. I have so many to go still, so I'm just going to go speedy through these. This is a clear lip gloss. That smells so freaking good. And all of these are so mini, so you can put them in your purse, maybe in your backpack, or just leave them in your car, whatever. Some more glow drops, and then another big one. I have an eyeliner. I have my last 2 right here, and then we have, oh, it's so tiny. Another lipstick, and then lastly, we have a little hair tie. So you get so many products, and it was super fun to open. That just brought the inner childhood in me. I really liked it. I'm super excited I got this, and I can't wait to use all of my products. If you're looking for a nice calendar or just to get some goodies, this definitely is a good choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.